gogoevan.com
बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
Myself Ghanshyam Solanki, the maintenance engineer at gogovan.com. Welcome back on my today's episode. In today's episode, I'm discussing about the function of Hall sensor. Hall sensor is commonly used to time the speed of wheels and shaft, such as IC engine ignition system timings, tachometers, anti-lock braking system. But it is mainly used in BLDC motor. The function of Hall sensor in BLDC motor is to check the position of the permanent magnets in the permanence magnet. It is a device used to measure the magnitude of a magnetic field. Its output voltage is directly proportional to the magnetic field. Hall sensor are a solid static magnetic field sensor. They work on a principle: when a current carrying a conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it produces a force on the charge carriers which pushes this on the sides of the conductor, one negative on the one side, positive on the one side. This buildup of charge on the sides of the conductor induces a voltage. This effect is known as a Hall effect because it was invented by Edwin Hall, so it is named as a Hall sensors. The purpose of the commutation, whether by mechanical or by electrical, is to means to energize the stator windings in a certain sequence, with one winding positive, one winding negative, and one winding powered off. Torque production is caused by the attraction and the repulsive force between the stator and the permanent magnets of the rotor. Maximum torque is achieved when this rotor and stator are exactly at the 90 degree with each other, and diminishes when they are aligned with each other. Therefore, in order to keep the rotor turning, we have to continuously supply the power to the stator windings. Therefore, it is necessary to give a certain amount of magnetic field. In order to energize the correct stator windings, we should know the position of the rotor. Therefore, here the Hall sensor plays an important part, where the rotor is situated and in which position it is situated. The BLDC motor typically have a 3 Hall sensor, and it's commuted by a 6-step commutation device, and it is known as a 6-step commutation. When a rotor passes through a sensor, it produces a high or a low signal, which gives an indication that rotor has passed through it. This switching of 3 Hall sensors from high to low or low to high provides a rotor position information every 60 degree. This can be calculated by the formula is 60 degree into 6 steps windings is equal to 360 degree, which gives an overall circumference of the windings or overall circumference of the motor. Hall sensors are basically used everywhere because it is easy to use, they are cheap in state, and they are very commonly used everywhere in BLDC motor. This was the basic function of the Hall sensor. To know more about the other products, you can visit our website, that is gogoevan.com, and you can get a various opportunities of motors, controllers and throttles to use in your current or daily life to convert your cycles, motorcycles or scooters into electric one. We provide a great variety range of products which can help you to establish a great platform for the business in electric vehicles. To know further information, you can visit our website, that is gogoevan.com. Thank you and stay tuned. Thank you.
gogoevan.com
बिजली वाहन उद्योग के 360 degree solution provider.
gogoevan world class manufacturer or supplier.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में quality assurance, competitive price और advanced technology.
gogoevan education system.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में knowledge, skills और ability accelerated.
gogoevan research and development center.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में हर इंजीनियर की शान और इन्वेंटर की जान.
gogoevan incubation center.
बिजली वाहन उद्योग में नई सोच, नया भविष्य, नए स्टार्टअप का बुलंद साथीदार.
gogoevan ODM और ODM supplier. ब्रांड आपका, आइडिया आपका, टेक्नोलॉजी हमारी.
GoGo A1 ride into the future.